You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly in English. Two different correct pronunciations indeed. Yes, you've guessed it. You've been wondering, is it quiescence? Yes, it's not qui or qui. Quiescence, yes, indeed. I know the spelling makes it super confusing, but once you know, it's pretty straightforward. So, two different pronunciations how to pronounce in English: quiescence, or, you've guessed it, quiescence. I believe quiescence is more of an American English pronunciation, but both pronunciations are used, interchangeable and correct in English: quiescence or quiescence, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.